be here, Janine. You want to be over there? I'll be over here. That's okay. Good. Sit wherever you want.
I'm going to sit here.
Well, we are here, all right? I sit over here. Okay, Mr. Producer Man is telling me to go on that one. You're telling me you both want me to leave. It's a Sunbeam. Oh, Grandpa's going to sit for a second here and relax. I went running today, and my lower back hurts. I need some help. I tweaked my neck the other day, lifting. I need some help. I'm just ornery and aching and getting old. I need some help. Janine, how can I get help?
Oh my gosh, you can help yourself with the Sunbeam heating pad is for all those areas that you just talked about, Rick. So
All those areas,
all
right?
those areas at the same time, and you can be hands-free. So, and actually it's right here, so you can tell me what you think.
Help me.
Okay.
Help me. I could probably do this myself. Or I could just,
There you go.
Yeah.
So,
I am an old man. Like, yeah, I used to do the parody of it, and now I just act like myself, and it works. Look at all the millennials going, why is he, yeah, he really is old. What's the deal with this one? This is the bigger, nicer one, isn't it?
Yeah, and you know what? See what I just did? So, you know, we've sold versions of this, and QVC and Sunbeam were such great friends that we can really listen to the QVC customers, and we take their suggestions and we change the items according to what you're looking for. So we had something like this, but the QVC customer wanted this neck to go right close up next to them, because wherever you see this lush, plush fabric is heated. So you can actually heat your neck really all the way up to the middle of your head, your shoulders all the way down your back. And
yeah, do not call this the heating pad, right? This is so much more.
Yeah, it's
like
almost
a heating robe, right?
Yes.
A heating wrap. It truly is. There's two colors. One's a slate. One's an ocean blue. Is this like the most coverage that you guys have?
Yes, definitely. We started off with regular heating pads back in the day. And so if you can see the difference, I'm going to just move this here. Because of customer feedback, look how much bigger this is. Okay. And also, anywhere you see this lush plush fabric, the fabric is on both sides, and it's slightly weighted, so it's going to stay where you place it. It's machine washable, and look at the difference. This is like a beautiful, luxurious cape, really, where traditional heating pads are just like a piece of plastic with a little piece of felt.
Oh yeah, there's no comparison. Yeah. My producer Fran is saying it covers the neck, which is really important for him. Of which I'm apparently a pain for him oftentimes. So it's great for that. Can I vary? He wants to know, can you vary the heat?
You can. So we've given you all these heat settings. We actually have given you 4 heat settings that you can use in the dark because it's slightly lit. We've given you the option to use the machine wash. The cord is so long. The cord is 9 feet. So you don't feel like you're tethered to the outlet. You could actually, take this to work with you, and you have enough room to move around in your chair. So there's a lot of great options. And I know this is gifts for men, and I really appreciate how large this is, because it can cover a man's, entire back, shoulder to shoulder, all the way down his back.
How'd you get the little, is that a little magnet in front?
It's a little magnet in the front, so it's going to stay where you place it. And also that heat right there under, between your neck and your chest, that's very relaxing to have heat there, because a lot of people, guys especially, lift, or women lift exercising, and that's something that when you do work it a little too hard, it's difficult to get some comfort there.
Yeah. So there's the coverage, there are the colors. You're saying that if you want to, you can get heat and feel heat in every area of this. So it's not like just a wrap and the heat's only in the lower back or something.
No. Anywhere you see this lush, beautiful fabric, look at this. Anywhere you see the fabric, it's actually heated. And then the wow factor is this neck. Now let's talk about this for a minute. It goes all the way up the back of my head, really.
Wow, I can feel it.
And then if I did not want that heat option, I could literally turn that neck feature down. Or if I want it really close to my neck, I can push it in, and it's going to stay where I place it. So I love that feature. Back in the day, if I had, if my neck was bothering me, I would have to hold a heating pad, to the side of my neck. And I mean, how good is that? Oh, here's a heating pad. Could you imagine literally just holding this heating pad to the side of your neck or have this heating pad stay on the side of your neck, and you can feel completely comfortable. Oh, Rick, also, you know what? There's a moist heat setting option. So you just literally, if you want it moist heat.
Why would you want that?
Well, you know, just to really target the area of an ache and pain. Sometimes it's recommended. I mean, we both know I'm not a doctor, but some people do prefer moist heat.
Would you put it on skin with this device, or would you put it, like, should it be over a t-shirt? You'll be wearing some sort of clothing.
Either or. Yeah, you don't have to wear clothes to use it.
You can put it on skin.
You can put it on skin,
some heating pads, you put it on skin, it could burn you.
Oh, no, this is beautiful, lush plush. Yeah.
So this is going to protect, going to give you the heat you want, but it won't burn, obviously.
Right, and actually, you know what, Rick? This is such beautiful fabric that it's really nice to have right next to you, like whether it's on your neck or your shoulders, all the way down your back.
Yeah. You know what I'm sensing too about this thing? My gosh, if you're cold.
Oh,
I mean, just if you're like, you just came out of the cold, you just got done shoveling snow.
Yes.
It's in Minnesota. It's in Pennsylvania. You shoveled snow. You lift it and turn, and just a little tweak, and it's freezing outside. You come in and just wrap yourself in this thing, because I've got it on, not the lowest setting, but the second to lowest setting, and it is heating up. If I put it on 3 or 4, this baby's going to get toasty warm real quick.
Well, you know what? That's why we had to give you 4 heat settings, because it really does heat up nicely. So you can really customize what's comfortable to you. I love too that on the remote that it says auto off, so it's going to turn off automatically after 2 hours. This is a favorite for like the kids when they're playing video games, because they're hands-free.
Actually, that's from a safety point of view, that's really good.
Yeah, so if they're
especially
in
for
the basement.
old people like me, you fall asleep, it'll automatically turn off.
Right. And everyone likes it for different reasons. You know, it's pretty funny that the boys will be downstairs in the basement playing video games because they're hands-free. Yet somebody could bring this to the office and be hands-free if they have an office job. I don't know, everyone really likes it. And I appreciate too that if I do bring this to work, that it doesn't look medicinal. Like I don't want the millennials to know that my back is hurting me. Yeah. You know, they're
doggone millennials.
I don't want them to know.
Taking over the world here. Show me that it could adjust the neck and just exactly where you want it on the neck.
Okay, great. Well, so this is what I'm going to do. There's the movement in this neck is such that I can bend it any way, and it's going to stay. Well, that's great.
And it'll say even the back of the head, right?
Oh, that's the great feature. I don't know if you get like sinus headaches, or I like it if I have a headache, because it really, just having that heat.
Yeah.
Oh, I just love it.
So there's one, but do the shot with your back to the camera if you would. Normally I don't ask people to do that, but this is very important, because 99% of heating pads, you want it in the neck, okay, then you put it up by the neck.
Right.
You want it in and here's the tough one. Here's the really tough one. It's the upper middle back.
Yes.
Like we use a heating pad to keep it right there. On the lower back, you got to lean against something. Look at this. This covers the entire area if you want it to.
Yeah, I love that. And
that's
also,
really nice.
You know what's nice too, Rick? When it's sitting out, like over here, I have it just sitting, you know, across the sofa. It just looks luxurious. It doesn't look, you know, like anyone's sick or not feeling good.
There's a final item, by the way, in the show. It's our pick of the show. It's on 3 easy payments at $12. Is it me, or is this like a ridiculous price? I'm not the expert in the heating pad thing, but I've been here a long time, and you've had like $60 and $70 and $80 Sunbeam pads in the past. This thing is $36, everybody. It's the it's pretty much the largest for the lowest.
Yes.
Right? Have we ever had a bigger heating pad for a lower price than
No,
this?
we haven't. And I mean, it's 33 inches by 24. It's huge. And the fabric, I just want everyone to know that, like, this is very high end. It's slightly weighted on the edges. The way that it's just made is really beautiful. I mean, the fabric is luxurious.
Fabric is luxurious, by the way. It feels great, and it's really varied in terms of the actual heat settings.
Yeah, and yes, I mean, that's why
a little bit of heat.
Yeah.
Right, just a little warmth, or it can be heat therapy.
Yes,
right?
Big time. And also remember, if you sprinkle water on the surface that's going to go next to your skin, that gives you the moist heat therapy option. Also, I just wanted to point out to everyone, first of all, look how, this is the inside of the heating pad. Look how beautiful this is. This is like velveteen rabbit soft. And right here, sewn into the fabric is the washing instructions, because this is machine washable. I love that feature.
Yeah, and I can't make any medical claims about this. by showing this package, so I won't. But hey, how about that? How about see you later? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Relieves pain. I mean, you know, we've all been there, right?
Yes.
Where you just want to put some, and sometimes the doctors recommend cold therapy, ice it, and sometimes to heat it.
Yeah.
Right?
And you know, that's a personal preference. A lot of people just, you know, their aches and pains are soothed by that constant heat. Some people unfortunately have aches and pains on a regular basis. If you know anybody that maybe isn't that mobile, we always think like, oh, well, somebody would love this if they exercise, but somebody would also love this if they spend a lot of time like in a hospital bed.
Yeah.
It's really, you know, because sometimes you get sore from like not moving. And actually, you know what? When the winter comes, I always go like this, like put your shoulders down and just like relax.
Yeah.
Because we all go like this when we're cold or we're stressed out.
I will tell you too, for my mommy who's in a nursing home right now, and we've sold 13,000. We sold 13,000 of these in the last few days. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is rocking. This is really, really incredibly priced. But for my mommy who's in a nursing home, like she's not too mobile anymore.
Yeah.
She doesn't have to do anything. She doesn't have to adjust it. She doesn't have to hold it in a certain place. It just wraps around to her body, conforms to her body, and it's the exact heat that you want. So it's completely customizable. So a caregiver, and how many thousands and thousands of caregivers are there right now, right? And you want to put that heating pad in the exact right spot? No, you don't need to. You wear it like a wrap, and it'll stay exactly where it should. Can you lie down with this?
Yes, you can. I mean, be careful. I mean, you can lean against it. Just use your sensibility about it. You don't have to worry if you fall asleep because it's going to turn off after 2 hours.
Well, we just had the QVC do Big Deal Lazy Boy chair. This is like meant to be in that Lazy Boy chair, right?
Are you kidding me?
That's
that would be like unbelievable.
Yeah.
And you know, it is fun to give to somebody because think about if you wanted to give somebody the gift of a massage or a spa treatment, consider giving them this because it's kind of the same thing. It's relaxing, but they don't have to get in their car to go somewhere. They can use it, you know, for years. They'll think about you every time they use it.
For $36, man, for the 3 easy payments of $12.14, I have never seen a larger XXL, a larger Sunbeam heat wrap for a lower price. So it's got it all, and it's the lowest price. So you really got a great idea. What colors do we have here? The slate and then the ice blue, right?
Yes, and they're both our most popular colors. That's why we have them. And you know, it's really a loving, thoughtful gift. And it is fun when you give it to somebody. If you buy it for yourself, when you get it home, put it someplace where you know you're going to use it on a regular basis.
Nice to have you here,
thanks
Janine.
So much
Thanks
for
coming
having
in tonight.
Me. So fun.
We're going to see a lot of you during this fourth quarter holiday